If you're curious about whether OpenAI Codex is worth your time, you're not alone. This AI tool promises to help you code faster and smarter, but does it deliver? Let's dig into the details and find out. OpenAI Codex is designed as an AI-powered coding assistant that can interpret plain language and turn it into code across various programming languages. It's particularly appealing for developers looking to streamline their workflow, or even for those just starting their coding journey. The interface is fairly intuitive, allowing users to ask questions or request code snippets directly. One standout feature is its ability to suggest entire functions or even complete programs based on brief descriptions, which can save a lot of time during development. However, the user experience can feel a bit uneven. Sometimes the suggestions are spot on, but other times they can miss the mark entirely, leading to frustration. It's also worth noting that while Codex can assist with many programming languages, its effectiveness may vary depending on the complexity of the task. Overall, the concept is solid, but there are areas where clarity and precision seem to lag, especially for more intricate coding challenges. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Codex can significantly speed up coding tasks, making it a great tool for both beginners and experienced developers who want to enhance productivity. The capability to generate code from natural language queries is genuinely impressive. However, there are notable downsides. The quality of code generated can be inconsistent, and sometimes it may produce outdated or inefficient solutions. Additionally, there's a learning curve to effectively using Codex, which might be daunting for novices. Another concern is the transparency around how Codex operates. Users often want more clarity on the AI's decision-making process. If you're looking for reliable, precise coding output, you might find yourself needing to double-check Codex's suggestions more often than you'd like. So, who should consider OpenAI Codex? If you're a developer looking to save time on routine coding tasks, it could be worth trying out. But if you require highly accurate and sophisticated code solutions, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a promising tool, but it comes with caveats that should be carefully